Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you've got these tie-down points on either side with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet. On the opposite side, you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. Then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders. Down here you have a USB and USB-C, and the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View, driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle and settings. Then on the left you have your cruise controls with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. Then you have this little tray area and your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Then you have this tray area down here with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet. Then your main shifter on a dial, which is very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, and another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.